Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about health and wellness. Today's topic is fasting. Have you ever wondered what really happens to your body when you fast? Well, we've got the answers for you. In this video, we'll be discussing the benefits of fasting, the different types of fasting, and what actually happens inside your body when you fast. But before we get started, if you're enjoying our content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. We're always sharing tips and tricks to help you live your healthiest life, and we don't want you to miss a thing. First off, let's talk about the benefits of fasting. Fasting has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including boosting the immune system, improving skin health, promoting brain function, improving heart health, and aiding in cancer treatment. Fasting also helps increase your body's resistance to stress and toxins. Now let's dive into the different types of fasting. The most common types of fasting are water fasting and dry fasting. Water fasting involves only drinking water for a set period of time, while dry fasting involves abstaining from both food and water. However, we recommend doing a water fast with nutrients to ensure you don't become deficient in any essential vitamins or minerals. Taking B vitamins, C vitamins, and minerals during fasting is important to keep your body functioning properly. Now, let's break down what happens to our body during a fast. 1 to 4 hours. During the first few hours of fasting, your body will use up any glucose that's stored in your liver and muscles. As a result, your insulin levels will drop, and your body will begin to burn fat for fuel. 4 to 8 hours. Around 4 hours into a fast, your body will enter into a state of ketosis, where it begins to produce ketones as a source of energy. Ketones are produced when the liver breaks down fatty acids, and they provide an alternative fuel source for the brain and body. 8 to 12 hours. As you continue to fast, your body will begin to break down protein to produce glucose, which is needed for certain bodily functions. This process is known as gluconeogenesis. 12 to 72 hours. After 12 hours of fasting, your body will start to produce growth hormone, which is important for muscle growth and repair. Additionally, your body will continue to burn fat for fuel, and you may experience increased mental clarity and focus. 3 to 7 days. If you continue to fast for several days, your body will enter into a process called autophagy. Autophagy is when your body begins to recycle old and damaged cells, which can improve overall health and longevity. So, those are the 5 stages of fasting. But it's important to note that fasting isn't for everyone. If you have any medical conditions or are pregnant, it's important to speak with your healthcare provider before starting a fast. In conclusion, fasting has numerous health benefits and can be a powerful tool in improving overall health and wellness. Whether you choose to do a water fast with nutrients or try a different type of fasting, it's important to listen to your body and make sure you're getting the necessary vitamins and minerals. So, have you tried fasting before? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.